Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Pulsar, and today I'm bringing you this short lace front wig. It's a pixie cut lace front wig, and let me say you that it's very inexpensive, affordable. It's not more than $60. It should be around 65 US dollars, but I just wanted to show you how I style it because the wig comes nothing looking like what you see now. It's already complete plug and cut, but the style is a little bit different. So don't forget to press the subscription button just to be sure that you can see more of my video styling tips and other things. And let's jump into this tutorial. So this is how the wig look once it's arrived. It's a straight asymmetric bob, and I think this is called the French asymmetric bob cut. Don't quote me on that, that it should be. But this being said, when all of my wig come and I have to restyle them, I like to first put them on and see if I want any bangs, whether I want the side parting and other thing. And once I've seen and analyzed and decided, I go ahead and start the styling of the wig. So what I did, I put the wig on my canvas head, and what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to wet entirely the hair. You can either wash the wig, but I sincerely never feel the need, and I just wet it and then comb it backward. Once that is done, I just go and start placing the where I want my side part to be. So as I told you before, since I've already tried the wig on, I already know that I want my side part to be on the right. That is where you see it now on the left because it's a flip image, if that make any sense. But that is what I'm doing. I'm just parting the wig and combing it according to how I want the line and the hair to fall once it is dry. After that, I know that I wanted the wig to be a little bit shorter on the side because, as I say, I've changed the parting line. So I'm just going to make a little bit of adjustments with the cutting. I'm not a hairstylist, girl. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm just doing what come with the flow. Is for the wig is for me, so I don't really mind experimenting. It's nothing difficult. If even if any of you are afraid to cut hair or thing, just start experimenting with little things. Just like this wig is something very simple, and just adjusting a little bit the end of the wig of the hair and the corner. What I'm doing now, I'm pressing some hair mousse on the hair mousse on the hair. And what it does when you place hair mousse on hair, I noticed that when you style the wig, it keep the style much longer, and the hair mousse make it that once you dry down the wig, the parting line does not shift. If you just blow dry the hair from wet to dry without head mousse, the parting line does stay. But if you want to style it like with curls or other other style, the hair mousse help you for it to lock in that style. I don't know if it does really make sense, but I hope later you understand what I mean. So here the wig is almost completed, and I'm going to show you the back of the wig. That's when you are blow drying your wig, you always want to make sure you blow dry and comb according to the style you want it to be at the end. What I'm doing here, I'm still readjusting the corner of that cut. So I'm just going to, nothing particular or difficult. I'm just going to adjust how the hair flow on that side, just cutting to my liking, how I see it look like, and that is all. Now comes the fun part and the real transformation of this wig. What you want to do after is take a section of that wig where there is more hair. So in this case, you want to take the right part of the right part section of the wig and cut out a triangular shape of cut out a triangular shape of the hair and tie it away. just adding some hair serum because now I'm going to style the wig with my flat iron. And what it consists of is taking little section of the hair and flat iron in the way that's all like the bank, or not really the bank, but a section of the hair should lay going towards back. I don't really know how to explain it, but I think this part of the video is self-explanatory. As you can see, the important when you are doing this is to take little section of the hair at a time. Take your time, make sure the hair flow or lay according to how you want the style to be. In this case, I wanted for this part of the head for it to all lay going towards backward, just to increase that bob or bump towards the back. I don't know how to say it, but I'm sure you can see what I'm talking about. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to curl and divide first of all into little section this part of this of the hair, and I'm just going to create some curls that go backwards with my flat iron. And this is the part of the hair that will give all that nice edgy pixie look to it. So in reality, it's just this last step is going to give the real transformation and changes to have that nice, friendly summer looking pixie looking wig. So I'm just using my flat iron to create this curl, but feel free to use your curling one or whatever things you have at home that you use to do your curls. The curls can be smaller or bigger according to how you personally like them to be. Once you have made your curls, I'm just going to spray some setting spray on the hair, and you can see how the wig look from the side. And I'm just going to add more setting spray because I want this style to last till I wash the wig. Sincerely, I don't have time to curl hair every morning. So that is it. After that, all is left for you to do is to put the wig on and try it and see if you want any adjustment. This is how the back is looking. And what I'm doing now, before even securing the wig down on my hair or gluing it or putting tape, and just combing it and seeing how I want it to look like. And sincerely, that is all you do. You just keep on playing with it, combing it, and this is the end result. That how it look. I just comb it into style, and sincerely I found this to look very sassy. It's very like a pixie friendly summerish look for somebody who wants something simple but still with a little bit of edge. I don't know how to say it, and I hope you did like this tutorial. In reality, it's quite simple, nothing specific, but just to show you how you can transform some boring looking wig that may be advertised on different websites for affordable price into something cute. And we shall see. Don't forget to thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more wig tutorial and tips for you guys, and we shall see next time. Ciao.